Hi and welcome to this new series of Epson ColorWorks videos. My name is Adam Samuel. I am the product manager for Epson Color Label printers. I'm here today with the ColorWorks C6500 AE printer, and we're going to explore the new feature of full bleed printing. As you may be aware, our default margin, both left and right, was restricted to a minimum of 2 millimeters, which would be the standard gap between the liner and the label. Our Epson developers have updated the driver to offer the user greater flexibility. Now the margin, both left and right, can be set from 0 millimeters to 6 millimeters. Once you have selected the image you want to print, simply select the printer you want to use. Now in Preferences, go to the Media Layout. As you can see, the default is 2 millimeters, but now you can adjust this. I have selected 1 millimeter. You will always get this warning message to inform you of the effects of printing on the waistliner. Click OK. Now you can print the label. It's easy and simple. This means true full bleed printing is available on virtually all types of media.